In today's video, I am going to teach you how to allow or block pop-ups and redirects in Google Chrome web browser. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. From that menu, click Settings. On the left-hand side, you will see a list of categories. Click Privacy and Security to continue. This section contains controls related to how websites interact with your browser and how Chrome protects your activity online. Next, click Site Settings. Scroll down until you reach the Content section. In that section, click Pop-ups and Redirects. You are now in the correct place to control whether websites can open pop-ups or send you through redirects. Chrome gives you two main default behavior options here. If you want to block most pop-ups and redirects, choose the option that says Do not allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. If you need certain websites to open pop-up windows or use redirects as part of their normal function, you can instead choose Sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. Make sure you select the option that best matches how you want Chrome to behave by default. Once you choose your preferred setting, the change is applied automatically, so there is no need to save anything manually. That covers everything you need to know.